Welcome, friends. Let's meet the all-new WiseCam Floodlight, an ultra-bright floodlight motion detector with the eyes, ears, and brain of its built-in WiseCam V3. We like to think of WiseCam Floodlight as a therapist, a good therapist who knows that what everyone, including trespassers, maybe especially trespassers, really needs is to be seen. That's what WiseCam Floodlight does. It sees you. If you're a trespasser, it says,
"Hello, friend. You are seen. I see you, and I hear you. And I'm recording your face right now for the police because I think other people should see you too."
Then again, you could just use the two-way audio to put that message in your own words.
Get the out of my yard, you little.
Or let the 105 decibel siren do the talking. WiseCam Floodlight has 3 separate motion sensors that can be turned on and off individually or adjusted for up to 30 feet and 270 degrees of customizable detection. It doesn't matter if you're tippy-toeing, doing the worm, army crawling, or dancing the Macarena. WiseCam Floodlight doesn't miss anything. We even made it possible to add an extra WiseCam V3. Boom! Double the coverage. Oh, you want more customization? Adjustable and dimmable lights, baby! Wall mounting, ceiling mounting. This thing's got more positions than a Cosmopolitan magazine. WiseCam Floodlight has 2,600 lumens of ultra-bright light, which is bright enough to incinerate vampires. Is that bright enough for you? Don't worry, they signed a waiver. For comparison's sake, most floodlights are 2,400 lumens or less. Daylight produces 127,000 lumens, and when I go to the beach and take off my shirt, I produce 63 million. Plus, the brains of the WiseCam V3 gives WiseCam Floodlight smart features like dusk to dawn automation. You'll never have to worry about turning it on or off. And like any proud parent, we bundled all this home protecting goodness in an IP65 weatherproof jacket. WiseCam Floodlight. Brighter, smarter, motion-activated security.
Introducing Ring Smart Lighting. A range of motion-activated outdoor lights to suit any home. Intelligent lighting that's easy to install and simple to use. Connected lights that talk to one another. Motion-activated and there when you need them.
Alexa, turn on the backyard lights.
Ring Smart Lights create a ring of convenience, control, and security. Whether you're home or away, Ring Smart Lights work with Ring cameras to notify you whenever motion is detected. Manage all your devices and monitor your home through the Ring app,
Honey, what's Grant doing outside?
so you always know what's going on.
What are you doing out here, huh?
The Hyperlight Mars Series LED floodlight is different from other floodlights. So what are the characteristics? First, high brightness, with 120 lumens per watt luminous efficiency, which is 20% brighter than other lamps. By using a tempered glass lens and deeper white reflection, the Mars floodlight maximizes the output of light with high light transmittance, while reducing glare to protect the eyes. Furthermore, the wide range of the 120-degree illumination angle can effectively illuminate corners. The Mars floodlight is the top choice for large space lighting. This light is widely used in squares, stadiums, gardens, warehouses, etc. Second, IP65 waterproof guarantee. The Mars floodlight is equipped with an external respirator device, which can prevent the water mist from rain, heat, snow, and the environment generated inside the lamp, greatly reducing the effect to the light brightness and service life. Operating temperature is minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Our floodlight is your best choice for extreme environments. Last but not least, one-person installation. A trunnion mount makes the installation easier. The adjustable angle is wider than 180 degrees and gives a more widely irradiated area. The 180-degree adjustable knuckle mounting arm can be directly screwed. Please note that the installation method is only available at 100 watts. Please purchase from different listings according to your needs.
Let's open the box and see what is inside. Now, let's install the light. Pay attention and don't screw too much, so there is enough space between the wall and the screw head to install the light. Once they are in, push down and it will be self-locked. The installation place should be somewhere that can guarantee enough direct sunlight. To start, press the switch button that is on the back of the light. Let's check out the three working modes. Sensor mode, sensor and dim mode, dim mode.